I'm just gonna... Yoink! Yes! Wait, get over here. You fish. You fish. Have a box. Alright. Yeah. Can I hit him in the face with it? No, come over here. Come over to where your doom awaits. Right. Yeah. Just go on a reef or something. Woo! 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 Yeet. What's that? Collect. Okay. Yoink. Whoa, it's such a sensitive chicken. Doop. Chicken. Wait. You can have that. Why is it going to a ball? It's a woodlouse. Wait, I'm gonna... Ah. Chicken. Stop staring at the chicken, or you'll be whacked with it. Chicken just tripped you up. Noob. Yoink. Oh, he landed it. See how sensitive this guy is. I mean, sensitive the chicken is. Woo! What is it? What's this? Beehive. Okay. Ring of fire. Let's try and throw the chicken through it. Chicken! You failed. You failed. Okay, chicken, come here. Boop. No, stop. Chicken. Oh, you're so bad at this. Chicken. No. Just get in the hoop. Yay. Alright. I'm gonna throw the chicken. Yeah. Where'd it go? Hello? Just throw it. Yoink. Right, that's enough of this game now. Have a chicken. Yoink. What else can I do? Oh. Yeah. Let's chicken. Okay. Chicken will say goodbye. Yeah.